Mott's 100% apple juice event in the Philippines. I'd like to thank you, our friends, of course, from the print media, broadsheets and glossies alike, to our mommy bloggers, of course, without whom your valuable influence to your followers wouldn't be the things that the evolvement of the mommy bloggers in recent years has been explosive. Of course, for acknowledging also the presence of Miss Janice Villanueva and Cheshire Ke, our guest nutritionist. For a brand that's been in existence since 1842 and several decades ago already here in the Philippines, you're probably wondering why we're only throwing this event today. Well, Fly Ace Corporation, whose motto is bringing the best of the world to our consumers, got exclusive distribution rights and to, of course, market Mott's just a few years back. So, of course, we have to make sure that we have to improve our distribution, strengthen Mott's presence in your favorite neighborhood stores and supermarkets. And now, because of that, we have our first event and, of course, our first Philippine brand ambassador. So that's why we're here today. If you're the conscientious parent, of course, I'm sure you want your child to eat healthy food. But of course, it goes without saying that you also want them to drink their fair share of healthy beverages with a regular diet. 100% juice is an excellent source of nutrients. But just exactly what benefit does it give? Of course, you'll know later on, it differs across various juices. And that's what we're here to learn today. So I'm happy to say that even before joining Fly Ace, I personally was drinking Mott's already during my teenage years, just mga 5 years ago. And I've been using Mott's as my brand of choice, especially when paired with breakfast, and even drinking it solo to quench my thirst. Of course, our event today wouldn't be possible without our partners, Mott's Snapple International, represented by their territory sales manager, Mr. Sixto Lopez, on my left. And of course, our Fly Ace Corporation President, June Cochamco, and Executive Vice President, Larry Cochamco. And thank you to them for bringing Mott's to unprecedented heights in our country. And thank you again for coming and gracing us with your presence. Thank you.
Fly Ace Corporation Senior Product Manager Beverages category, none other than Miss Jasmine Capule. There you are.
Gagayahin ko si Jamie. An apple-rific afternoon, everyone. So, I hope you will enjoy and learn a lot about apples today. Ayoko magpaka-formal today. Gusto ko mag-games muna tayo. Okay ba yun? Okay ba yun? Okay. Pero simple lang to. I know lahat kayo na-try na tong game na to. Okay, Alexa. It's actually a perfect one-word game. Okay. Okay, my first picture is this one. So what's this? Okay, very good. The next picture is? Wow. The third picture is? Okay, and the fourth one is? Okay, so I guess you know what's common in these 4 photos. Yeah, and it's because this is a Mott's 100% apple juice event. So I would like to formally welcome you to this event. So today, you'll learn more about apple, you'll learn about the nutritional benefits that it gives our body, and of course, we would like to introduce to you the Philippine Mott's brand ambassador later. So for now, sa akin muna kayo makinig, okay? Okay, trivias muna tayo. My trivia number 1 is that in ancient Greece, tossing an apple to a girl was a traditional proposal of marriage, and catching it is the acceptance. It's just parang saying yes. Okay, alam niyo ba to? Okay, it was actually Troy of Paris who did this to Aphrodite. So, si Hera, si Aphrodite, and another goddess parang nag-game sila. And then, Aphrodite won because she was the first, unang-una, may mystery. Okay? My trivia number 2 is, apple trees takes 4 to 5 years to produce their first fruit. So, sobrang tagal, di ba? So, just like any other trees, like mangoes or any other fruit-bearing trees. So, when you see an apple tree, for example, not in the Philippines, but in other countries kung saan malamig ang climate, normally it takes 4 to 5 years before it first produce its first fruit. Okay, excited ba kayo sa third trivia ko? Okay, my third trivia is that did you know that cherries, or is just 1 inch in terms of diameter, is the smallest, merong kasing laki ng ganito ng apple. Next is, the biggest is actually, is similar to a size of a pomegranate, or of a grapefruit, which is about, on the average, mga 3.5 to 4 inches. Okay, so mga ganito kalaki, and then the smallest is like a cherry. Okay, I still have 2. My fourth is that we don't have apple trees in the Philippines. Yes, wala. We have a lot of mango trees, we have a lot of all other fruit-bearing trees, but we do not have apple. Why? Because apple trees need a period of dormancy, which means you need cold weather. And saan countries to, normally, ano-ano ang largest producing apple countries? Actually, that's my next trivia. The top 3 largest apple producing countries are, guess? Any guess? China, yes. Which is about 37 million, produces 37 million of apples every year. Tons to, 37 million tons of apple every year. And in the US, that's about 4.1 million tons of apples every year. And the third, any guess? Who said Turkey? I came out na. Okay, Turkey is 2.8. Galing mo, Miss Janice, is 2.8 million. Okay. So these are new learnings about Apple. So now I'll go deeply into the brand that I handle. So now we go into the heart of my Mott's apple juice. Okay? So I will call it Apple-rific facts. Okay? 1. Mott's is a US heritage brand which was established since 1842. So ganon na decades na talaga tong brand na to. Next, alam niyo ba that Mott's is actually a family surname? So Mott's is a family surname, and whose surname is this? This is actually the surname of a grandfather and a grandson tandem, which is Sebulok Mott Sr. and S.R. Mott Jr. So these are a grandfather and a grandson tandem. Okay? Next. In the Philippines, Mott's has been present since 1980s. Pero, we will normally found it in mga PX shops. Okay. But since Slightly started distributing this mid-80s or early 90s, you've been seeing this brand in major supermarkets nationwide. Okay, and currently, Mott's has 2 variants. One is a 64-ounce SKU, and the other is a 32-ounce SKU, which is good to share for your whole family. Next, did you know that every 8 ounce of serving of Mott's apple juice provides your family with 2 servings of fruit and at least 120% DB value of vitamin C? Meaning, it gives your children, or it gives you, when you drink about 8 ounce glass of apple juice, it gives you 120% DB vitamin C. But later, our nutritionist will talk about this. Okay? Okay, Mott's 100% apple juice is made from concentrate mixed with water, pasteurized, and packaged. Next, please. Malts has no added sweeteners, so just like any other 100% juice, it has no added sweeteners, artificial color, or and all sugars that we found in this particular apple juice comes from the fruit. Meaning there's no additional fructose or anything in the juice itself. Okay, apple juice is pasteurized at 190 degrees. This is to ensure that the harmful bacteria will be taken away once it is packaged. Next, most apple juice can be refrigerated after opening and can still be consumed from a minimum of 7 to 10 days. So, pero dapat naka-ref lang siya. Okay, now I would like to share with you a video about juices, about 100% apple juice in the US. So this is Marsha Prosper.
Servings of real fruit inside. So even if some of us are choosy about how we like our fruit, Mott's gives us the purely delightful flavor we love with the healthy fruit we need. A secret like Mott's is worth sharing.
Okay, I would like to end my slide with an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So sobrang daming beses na natin itong narinig. But did you know the reason behind an apple a day keeps the doctor away statement? Okay, because apple, as mentioned by Jimmy, is the third most popular fruit worldwide. Actually, it actually has a lot of benefits. So to tell you more about these benefits and the benefits it can give our body and our families, I would like to turn over the mic to Jamie again to introduce.